This is new Apple iPhone 15 lineup. The new iPhone 15 and 15 Plus has a slightly new design with new 48 megapixel camera that can shoot 2 times digital telephoto zoom, and also there is iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max with all new titanium body with stronger frames and also lighter body, which is nice. And also it has one of the thinnest bezels in any smartphone. Also there is a new action button on Pro phones which you can set to 9 different things such as silent phone or flashlight or even camera. Also there is a new 5 times telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is insane, and we like this feature because you can zoom all the way in with this camera. With new Apple A17 Pro chip you can play any games you want, even Assassin's Creed Mirage or even Death Stranding. Which one do you like the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.